how to add a Lightbox in Wix. So first, you just have to go to wix.com and create an account. If you don't have an account, then you need to sign up. So these are my sample sites right here. If you want to create a new site, tap this one. And then here you can create sites with Wix Studio. If you want to use advanced features, you can tap try Wix Studio right here. But as a beginner, I strongly suggest to just create on Wix Editor. So I think this one is easier for beginners. So you can tap this one and then you can now start creating your site. So you can start with chat or you can set up with our chat. You can ask a help from AI here, but you can also tap the second one, which I strongly suggest too. Now, what type of website do you want to create? So you can search or you can scroll down here. Let's just say online store. Tap this one. And then after that, click continue. So once you have click continue here, then it will show you some option of what kind of online store. Let's just say clothing or clothes. So click continue. And then after that, it will prepare your dashboard where you can select any template that you can use. But it's not really our tutorial. So let's just go back. And then I'm going to select and edit one of my sites right here in order for me to add Lightbox. Okay. Now take note that whatever you add here or whatever you change or whatever you add here, for example, payment method, it will not affect other sites. It's like independent site right here. Okay. So feel free to add, to link or change settings here on specific site. So let's just say, for example, for this site, if my payment method is PayPal and my other site is bank, then it's okay. Okay, so you can change, you can add whatever it is to a specific site. Okay, so now click the sign for us to proceed with our main tutorial, which is adding Lightbox. And let's just say this is the site where I want to add Lightbox. Okay, so this is the front page. Now, in order for you to add this to any of your page right here, what you're going to do is you have to simply go and look for the plus icon on the left side, which is add elements. Tap this one right here. And then you will see this option below. You will go directly to interactive. So under interactive, you will see the slideshows, light boxes, repeaters, calendars, promos, of course. Let's go on to light boxes where you can add light boxes to your welcome page, a subscribe page, promotion, and contact. So each you will see different styles and template that you can use. So for this time, we're going to add Lightbox to our welcome page. So here are the sample designs that we can use. So for example, let's choose this one right here. In order for you to start, just tap and it will be added directly to your page. Okay, so what you're going to do here, if you don't want to, if you think that it's not the right one, you can just exit, go back to add elements again, and then look for the specific template or design that you want. Basically, I want this one again. So click this. Now to start, if you want to change the background, this one is the setup overlay. Okay, so if you want to change the background, then basically you have option if you want to change your background to just colors, image, or video. So to see more options, just tap this one right here. And as you can see, you can change the color, the image of the background, or if you want to change if you want to change it to video, everything is up to you. For colors, just look for a specific color that you want. But of course, this time I want to change the background to image. Do that, what you're going to do here is basically just tap image. And if you have your own image, what you're going to do is just import that image from your computer. So let me tap image right here. If you have your own design, just click upload media. But for this time, let's just choose an image from our Wix library. Okay, so you can search, for example, your store is all about, or you're selling clothes, of course, you want to look for something that is related to clothes or clothing. So you can search it right here. And then after that, press enter, then select from any of this design. So for example, you want to add this to your Lightbox background. This one right here. Okay. So tap and then click change background, and it will change your background right away. Okay. You can also change it if you want. So basically everything is up to you. Same thing with, if you want to change this to video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is final. Now, if you want to change the content of your, this one right here, you can change this. For example, if you want to change this to discount, now you can change the header. Okay, you can change text or font size or font style. Okay, increase, decrease. You can also edit format of bold, italic. You can change the color if you want. If you want to change this to red to make it more captivating or enticing, everything is up to you. Okay, so also add effects if you want to add effects right here. Also for spacing, character spacing, line or text spacing, you can just drag this up or down and you will see the result right away. Also, if you want to delete something that is unnecessary, you can do that. Change this one. If you want to change this to 50% off, same thing if you want to change the font style, font size. This one changes to MWF and this one change this to, let's just say, add to cart or add now. Okay, everything is up to you. Just click that specific button or word and then this small box will pop up and just change everything here. You can also link this to a specific web address if you have. So that's it, and always tap save so that it will save your work or changes here in Wix. Okay. Now, the next thing to do here is for you to preview if you want to preview your site. If you want to add a more Lightbox, for example, if you want to add something for your contact, okay, add Lightbox to your contact. Again, just go to add elements, go to interactive, and then here go to Lightboxes, and then for example contact, you will see different styles right here. Just choose one for your contact. For example, let's just say subscribe rather, tap this one right here. And it's the same thing if you want to change the background, just tap and then change background, change this to image or video, or change the color. Everything is up to you. Also change the content and feature right here. You can preview before you publish this, but basically this is how easy it is to add a Lightbox here in Wix. Again, just go to your specific site, go to elements, go to interactive, go to Lightboxes, and then add that to your page and then edit. That's it. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.